Happy Easter! I'm Amy. Today I'm making sugar cookie Easter baskets. These treats are cute, delicious, and fun to make. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And in a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of butter at room temperature and 3/4 cup of sugar. Now beat this together until it's fluffy. Then add 2 cups of flour and mix together until combined. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix together until combined. Using a cookie scoop that holds 1½ tablespoons, roll the dough into a ball and then place it onto parchment paper. Repeat until you have used all of your cookie dough. Spray a mini muffin pan with non-stick cooking spray. Next, roll a cookie dough ball into some pretty colored sugar. Then place it into the mini muffin pan. Repeat until you've done all of your cookie dough balls. Now bake in the oven for about 15 minutes or until the edges are slightly golden brown. Then remove from oven and place onto a wire rack. Let the cookies cool down some until you are able to touch them. Then press your thumb or finger down into the center of each cookie. Then let the cookies cool completely. After they are cooled, place some vanilla icing into the indent of each cookie. You can either use homemade icing or store-bought like I'm using. Then place 1/2 cup of flaked sweetened coconut into a Ziploc bag. Place a few drops of green food coloring onto the coconut. Zip up the bag and then toss it together until the coconut is evenly covered. You can add more food coloring and toss it again until you get the color you like. Place some of the green coconut on top of the icing and gently press it down. To make the decorative handles, take about 4 inches of licorice rope and press each end down into the icing. These are for decoration only. You will not be able to lift the cookie basket by the handle. Finally, gently press some jelly beans into the coconut. And here they are, sugar cookie Easter baskets. And you can change up this recipe by using different kinds of cookie dough, such as chocolate chip, peanut butter, or you can even use store-bought cookie dough. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And please be sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Happy Easter! I'm moving this thing and I think the bunny is gonna fall. Okay, he's still there. Spray a mini money such as chocolate chip or peanut butter. They all rolled. Such as chocolate chip or I was watching the bunny.